then how did you get into this whole concept of chakras and then balancing them? Now you even do it for business, you do it for individuals, which is very exciting for me. So can you dissect these things?
Yes, absolutely. So I went to a free meditation and healing camp. It was a pranic healing meditation and healing camp. I went there and I liked it. I felt good. And coincidentally, so I was born in Manipur, as I've always heard about black magic.
Okay.
Yeah. And I've never heard about there's a white magic also.
Yeah.
So when they introduced me that it's a white magic, it can make you feel better also. Like, wow, magic is magic. I really want to learn it.
Yeah.
So that how I started learning this magic. And actually it's not magic now when I completely learned about it. It's more of, everybody has an energy field. It's a bioelectromagnetic field around you.
Yeah.
And you can't see it with your naked eyes, but if you do some, Killian camera or different infrared cameras, you can see the energy around you.
Yes, obviously, yeah.
So if you work on that energy, it helps you see that where are the blocks or where the more inflammation of the part of the body and how you can actually help it relax down. And then comes the chakra. Chakras are like energy centers.
Okay.
They are moving. They are like not exactly moving from one place to another. They are rotating.
Got it.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपका चक्रा बाहर घूमने के आपके
बॉडी
पास ही रहेगा.
बॉडी में ही है.
Body में ही रहेगा. So, and there are 7 major chakras. So there are 11 also. उसके आगे minor, major add होते रहेंगे. But there are major 7 chakras. So 7 chakra, जैसे हम security and सबकी बात कर रहे थे, तो जो first chakra that comes in is the root chakra, जिसको मूलाधार चक्र भी बोलते हैं.
Okay.
मूलाधार चक्र means the base, the foundation. और foundation में क्या आता है आपके? Security.
Okay.
आपका prosperity, आपकी abundance, आपकी stability. ये सब आपके base में आते हैं. कि अगर जिसका बेस ये ठीक है ना, अगर मूलधारा चक्र जिसका ठीक है, आप उसको देखोगे इस चीजों में वो नॉर्मली बिहेव कर रहा होगा, साइको नहीं हुआ होगा.
Sane person.
So लेकिन the way we were saying ना, people who show a lot of insecurity, उनका अभी बेस चक्र ही ब्लॉक होता है.
Okay. कल जिसे बात की बेस ब्लॉक.
Definitely. Now we come up the second, which is the Swadhisthana chakra, which is also called as sacral chakra. It's located at your pubic area. So that chakra tells you about feeling satisfaction in the life. It tells more about the pleasure. It tells about the flow, that how free flowing you are.
Okay.
Your versatility.
Okay.
It's like the water element.
Okay.
अब जिसका ये बिगड़ा होता है, क्या होता है कि वो पार्टनर सर्च कर रहे हैं, उन्हें पार्टनर नहीं मिलता कभी, या हमेशा गलत पार्टनर्स मिलते हैं.
Okay.
या उनको लाइफ में जो भी काम कर रहे होते हैं ना, वो कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं फील करते, कंटेंटमेंट नहीं आता उन्हें.
Okay.
उनके रिलेशनशिप हमेशा बिगड़े रहते हैं.
Interesting.
सो यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दैट पर्सन के वर्ड से, द वे द पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग, यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई विच चक्रा इज ब्लॉक्ड.
हाँ, एक तो मैं समझ गया कल वाला.
Then comes the solar plexus, which is also called Manipurna chakra, located at the center of your below your chest area. And that is the I, identity, fame, courage, passion, spark, daring,
Confidence.
fear, confidence. ये सारी चीज़ें वहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट होती है कि अगर कुछ बंदा ओवर डोमिनेटिंग है, द चक्रा इज ओवर वर्किंग.
Okay.
ओवर एक्टिव.
Overactive है.
हाँ.
Okay.
अगर कोई हर किसी से बहुत जल्दी मान जाता है, अंडर एक्टिव है.
Under.
फियरफुल है, अंडर एक्टिव है. सो चक्रा से वो किस तरीके से बिहेव कर रहा है पता लग जाता है कि उसका कौन सा चक्रा डाइसी है.
एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, लेट मी, आई एम पॉजिंग यू. सो ये इंट्रोवर्ट एक्सट्रोवर्ट का जो डिबेट होती है, सो इज इट लाइक दिस स्पेसिफिक चक्रा दैट यू आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट, ऐसा होता है कि इट्स अंडर और ओवर एक्टिवेटेड?
या डेफिनेटली.
कि इंट्रोवर्ट है बंदा,
इंट्रोवर्ट है वो जनरली उसका अंडर एक्टिव होगा सोलर प्लेक्सस. यस यस.
या तो मतलब जिसका जो इंट्रोवर्ट्स है वो ये उनका चक्र अंडर एक्टिव रहता है most of the time के अंदर.
राइट.
बट इज इट नॉट कि कोई बंदा इंट्रोवर्ट होके भी कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकता है इन देयर ओन एलिमेंट?
यस, इन अ सर्टेन एलिमेंट. यस.
या
सो अंडरस्टैंड. अब और डिटेलिंग में जाएंगे तो हर चक्र के पेटल्स भी होते हैं.
Okay.
हर चक्र के 12 एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. नॉट 12 एलिमेंट्स बट उसके पेटल्स. जैसे मूलाधारा के 4 पेटल्स हैं, स्वादिष्ठान के 6 हैं, सोलर प्लेक्सस जो मणिपुर है उसके 8 पेटल्स हैं. देन उसके हार्ट चक्र है जो अभी हम आएंगे नेक्स्ट. हार्ट चक्र दैट्स 12 पेटल. सो हार्ट चक्र इज मोर ऑफ अ ग्रीफ, सॉरो, लव, कंपैशन, काइंडनेस. तो ये सब आपका हार्ट चक्र से है कि आप कितने गिविंग हो, कितने रिसीविंग भी हो. Some people are like giving and they are not receiving. They also feel empty at the end.
Obviously.
Yes. और किसी का like कुछ लॉस होता है, लॉस ऑफ लाइफ या किसी का, तो उनका भी हार्ट चक्र स्मॉल हो जाता है. गिल्ट होता है तो भी प्रॉब्लम होता है बिकॉज इट्स लाइक दे आर ओन मेकिंग देयर ओन सफरिंग्स.
अच्छा, मेरे को 2 इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है इसके ऊपर. आई रिसेंटली हर्ड दैट समवेयर थ्रू दिस हार्ट चक्र इट्स ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू योर पितृ. Like if you heal it, you also heal some ancestral stuff. Like if there is you're carrying it through generations. So if you heal your own heart chakra, it also heals the karmas of your ancestor, or like if they are in pain. Like I've heard this. Maybe you can correct me. And the second thing thing, even with solar plexus is also connected to business. These are the 2 aspects that I have heard. What's your take on this?
So actually understand that everything is connected with everything.
हाँ, वो तो है.
It's a complete alignment. It's not only one thing. See, understand you are a complete human body, right? You have lungs, liver, kidney,
obviously everything is
spleen, pancreas, everything. If I say it's only because of the pancreas you are having this problem, that won't be true.
But isn't it like when something is underactive, it creates more issue, like as you mentioned?
It does create more issue, but that doesn't mean it's the only culprit.
It can be something else as well.
It can be something like, for example, if a person is having a diabetes, so it's not only, I will say, it's because of the pancreas, or
it's a lifestyle thing.
It's an insulin problem. It's like if the insulin is releasing less or more, who is giving the command to the insulin? It's the Ajna chakra, also the master chakra.
Okay.
So then it's like connected. 2-3 chakra also get connected to create one disease.
I think it's very detailed. It's very detailed.
It's very detailed.
It's very detailed. Let's continue the about the heart one.
So heart, yes, you can of course heal your pitra also, because again it's compassion, love, and not only the heart. Again, I'd say there are other elements also.
Okay.
But yes, it definitely helps, because if you feel good, your entire genetic will feel good, because everything is connected.
So can you give a demo, like just say this is very exciting, matlab chakra scanning. I'm not going to leave the opportunity, so
Okay, you want me to scan your chakras?
I wouldn't mind.
Okay, cool.
You have my permission to scan.
Great. All right, so your Mooladhara chakra, your sacral chakra, solar plexus, your heart, throat. So basically, you have a lot of blessings. Your work is entirely running towards blessings.
Thank you.
And so they are like all the chakras are in the development stages. Like they are developing, they are growing, and everything is fine. It's like you are right on the path. Keep doing what you are doing. You will see more abundance and more growth in your life.
Interesting. Anything specifically you saw? So all of them are aligned. All of like
a bit of disalignment, but it's like workable.
काम चल रहा है हमारा.
काम चल जाएगा.
So basically, when somebody comes to you, like individual, now you scan, you said I have. So like, do you have any specific things that you mentioned to that person?
Totally depends upon the requirement of the person.
Questions.
Yeah, questions also and requirement also. Like what the person exactly needs, because every time it would be different. And different person is completely different reports. No reports can be same. It's like very different. Like for example, yesterday only, a person came to me and I was scanning him, and I told him that your Manipurna chakra, that's underactive. And then I asked him like, how's your connection towards your mother? Because he was a PR person. So he was like, it's all good, all good. I go, okay, but it is showing me that some connection with your mother is weakened.
Okay.
So you can see if, and after 10 minutes, he said to me that, actually, it's been 4-5 years. I'm not able to connect to my mother the way I used to. I'm not able to, I share all my problems with her, but I am not connecting to her.
Got it.
I'm not listening to her.
But it has become superficial at a level.
Yes.
It has
Well,
become
it's like
superficial.
you are bonded emotionally with someone. It's like you are an open story. But with right now what's happening with people living together also, they are sharing, they are doing work, but they are not emotionally bonded. Sometimes it's one way, it's not being two-way.
So how do somebody in such phase, who's a dreamer, who wants to become something in life or just have a different notion of life, they build a strong core relationship with themselves with the help of self-love and then build upon it?
The first and foremost is believe in yourself.
True.
And if something is not coming, that you're not feeling that you should do it, but maybe logically every reasoning would be there that you should do it,
Yeah.
don't do it.
Okay.
Because if it's not coming from your gut, it's not coming from your inside,
Yeah.
don't do it. Because you know very well
Yeah.
what is good for you and what is calling for you. Because sometimes the world will look, the Disneyland, the best of the things and the best of the images
Yeah,
and everything.
yeah.
But when you go inside, there would be nothing for you. Maybe because you don't want that. You wanted something else.
Yeah, you're satisfied with something else, right?
Yes. And so you really need to believe and do the action which actually you feel that, yes, I should do.
Yes.
If any moment of time, if you're getting a calling, you should back off. Back off. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम कर ही जाओ.
So true.
And now there is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear.
हाँ, पता चला कि पहले ये uncomfortable होने पे बोल
हाँ, नहीं. There is a difference between the gut feeling and the fear. So पहले तो उस अपने आप से connect करना.
Correct.
That what you believe in, what do you feel? Uncomfort होगा. Like I give you an example for this. Long time back, I think in 2012.
Okay.
So I was having PCOD problem and I was like fat. Like I was like
Really fat.
gained of weight like 5-6 kg above my weight. So I was like very chubby person kind of.
Okay.
So I had a feeling that if I didn't get it done or clarified right now,
Yeah.
then I will have a severe problem or maybe I have to be hospitalized for some work.
Okay.
I got that feeling.
Okay.
And I then went to a Ayurvedic hospital
Yeah.
and they told me certain treatments like enema, body massage. So body massage is okay, but enema is like scary again for me.
Yeah.
But I made sure I will go through this pain.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Actually, it's not painful, but the pain is in the mind.
Mind, yeah.
It's not painful process, but the pain is in the mind that something weird is happening. And I made sure that I will do it because I know that is good for my body.
Yeah.
After that, I did ice bath also.
Wow.
I did walk on the fire charcoal also.
Oh.
I have to come over all my fears. So I deliberately go there. I walked it so that I'm out of the fear of it now.
Yeah.
So that was very like very important and main agenda for me that I have to overcome my fears.
So true.
So working on self-love is very important also to overcome your fear. You don't want to do certain thing. It should be by your choice.
Yeah.
It should not be based on the choice of the fear that is
things
holding
should
you
not
back.
control you.
Yes. The emotion basically.
Yeah.
Like, okay, somebody will ask me like, oh, can you do the like bungee jumping there? So the two reaction would be one person who is in fear. No, I won't do it. It's like too scary for me. मेरा गर्दन वर्दन टूट गई तो. Or one person, no, technically I don't feel like doing it right now. So there's a shift of emotions.
Yeah.
So are you working out of fear or are you working
In control.
in control?
Yeah.
In control, and I'll say in content.
Yeah.
So these 10 points, it's like accept, appreciate, intent, reform, adore, kindness, authenticity, uniqueness, respect, and royal. 10 points that allow you to follow self-love, and that will allow you to heal yourself in a very finer state.
And I believe you have mentioned this all things in detail in the book. So
Actually,
definitely check it out.
Definitely you check it out, and moreover, you will always remember it with AIRA KAURR.
Oh. लोगों को अगर नहीं समझा तो it's her name.
It's my name. It's Ira Kaur.
Yeah.
So remember the self-love tips, and you will see a transformation within you.
Yeah. Very interesting. This was very fascinating. Like it's very easy to follow.
Yes.
It works on different subconscious level of your mind.
Yeah.
I feel हम पता नहीं क्यों अपने आप को ना खुद ही केज कर देते हैं. I think the biggest cage is our own mind.
Absolutely. वो जो बताते ना हिंदी मूवी में बताते हैं मोक्ष कहीं इधर नहीं है बाहर नहीं है मोक्ष तो अंदर है. अगर आप फील करोगे तो आप एक्चुअली हर वक्त मुक्त हो.
Yeah, you are already.
You are always
bliss,
free.
Yeah.
You are always free. Otherwise, you are caged only with your mind.
Acha, very interesting aspect. The only thought that's stopping is that you think you can't do it.
Yes.
As soon as you think you can do it, you will do it.
Yes.
Right? और एक बार आपने कर दिया ना तो वो थॉट टूटते आता है धीरे धीरे. So you create your evidence. I've done it. Now I can done something else. तो आप वो एक दीवार पे दूसरी दीवार तीसरी दीवार different level, different heights. एक difficulty level को आप पार कर लेते तो आपका confidence थोड़ा और ऊपर.
Absolutely. It's the experience, na. With the experience, you create your understanding, your belief with experience. And that's why I say कि experience करो life को.
बहुत ज़रूरी है यार.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. Travel करो. क्योंकि आप जितने लोगों से मिलोगे जितने लोगों से बात करोगे आपको एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव दिखेगा दुनिया का.
आई थिंक ट्रैवलिंग से बेस्ट टीचर कुछ नहीं है.
बहुत अच्छा टीचर है ट्रैवलिंग. लाइक इफ आई से एवरी मंथ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग इन एंड आउट इनसाइड मतलब इन दिल्ली इन इंडिया और आउटसाइड इंडिया मंथ में 2-3 बार मीट न्यू पीपल. You gain so much of different wisdom and idea like how that person actually build up the life.
Yeah. सीखो ना.
सीखो. Be open towards learning.
Yeah. Replace screen time with people time.
Yeah, absolutely. Human library.
Human library. I am very fascinated about reading biographies and stuff because अगर आपको confusion है, just read it कि उसने क्या किया उस moment में, right? You get the wisdom.
Absolutely. I'll talk about one book, Swami Rama ki Living with the Himalayan Master.
I think I've heard, yeah.
Yeah. I used to read that book with small chapters, and very interesting. Like the Swami Rama was kind of a naughty teacher, kind of. And happened to be, जो भी मैं life के situations में जा रही होती थी, and I'm trying to understand what to do. Next chapter was that. And whenever I'm reading, the next chapter is talking about the similar things.
Yeah.
So it gives you a very clear idea. So some books are very interesting and very enriching in your life.
How do somebody start building upon with the awareness now कि आयरा ने बताया कि मुझे इस चीज़ पे काम करना है. For example, as you said कि आपका मम्मी से relationship नहीं है तो you start communicating so that your chakra said. So how do you advise, like what actions generally people can take to have a good energy flow, to have a balanced chakra life?
So few things. The basic few things that I always advise everyone after seeing the report is start doing Yoga Nidra because it helps to program the subconscious mind and achieve better health and better mindset. And we have that in YouTube, so I give them the link. start doing it. And second is the breathing exercises.
Yeah, breathing
the
is a game
pranayama.
changer. Yeah.
Yes. So once you start doing it, your acceptability starts opening up. You start becoming more relaxed. Because until and unless you are not relaxed, it's very difficult for you to have a easy communication with someone also. Otherwise, like I'm aggressive and I'm communicating with you and you'll be like, बात ही मत करो, better है, झगड़ा होगा वरना फालतू में.
Yeah.
So इसलिए these two things are the basic things. Just start doing it and automatically you will see within 15 days you will see a lot of difference in you.
I think breathing के लिए तो मैं बहुत strongly vouch कर सकता हूँ.
Absolutely.
So it came into my life through exercise because you have to breathe correct to lift weights, right? You cannot breathe in, breathe out at the wrong time, गिर जाएगा weight. But that conscious effort and habit, तो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ कि there is an exercise, मतलब because it actually reduces your stress a lot and it also realigns you whenever you want. And breathing is the most easiest way to do that. You know, exhale, inhale the max. And then exhale slightly more than what you have inhaled.
Yeah.
तो it detoxifies your body. जो आपका कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रेशियो होता है, it actually balances out because that is the toxic. ऑक्सीजन से बॉडी को फर्क नहीं, मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पे हम फोकस नहीं करते. वी डोंट एक्चुअली इवन ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि वो सबकॉन्शियसली भगवान ने एक मीटर लगा के रखा हुआ है आपके ब्रेन के पीछे, वो काम कर रहा है, हमें एफर्ट नहीं लेना. बट आई वुड एडवाइज कॉन्शियस लिविंग एंड कॉन्शियस ब्रीथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Absolutely, absolutely. And बहुत लोग होते हैं ये भी नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ,
उनको बता दो आप, वो भी नहीं करते हैं. वो और भी आसान तरीका चाहते हैं कि
सांस भी नहीं लेनी.
मतलब कौन इतना फोकस करेगा सांस लेने पे भी, आप और भी आसान तरीका बता दो. Then we give them the jewelry also.
Okay.
And that's how actually we made this brand of jewelry, which
Yeah.
is Self Love Jewels, which will actually help people to heal themselves on a constant, regular basis. We actually launched this brand after the COVID times.
Yeah,
Because during the COVID time, we got so many healing cases that we were drained after it.
obviously.
तो हमने सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा चीज़ बनाए जो हमें ड्रेन ना करे. हम कहते हैं ना, पहले से पुड़िया बना के रख दें, जिसको जरूरत होगी वो तब ले लेगा.
जो जिसकी कंपैटिबिलिटी
जिसकी जो कंपैटिबिलिटी होगी. तो उसी हिसाब से जैसे पुराने टाइम में हमारे ताबीज़ और क्या बनाते हैं, तालिस्मान बनता था या एमुलेट बनता था. तो उसके तरीके से हमने उसको प्रोग्राम करके, कॉन्सिक्रेट करके, डिफरेंट ज्वेलरी डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए बना के रखी है, ताकि आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम हो आप ये लो, पहनो. 2-3 months में यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली. एंड हमें ऐसे बहुत रिव्यूज आए हैं कि दे हैव इम्प्रूव्ड इन विच एवर वे दे वर वर्किंग, इट हैज इम्प्रूव्ड देम अ लॉट.
ये मेरे को काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. लाइक नोबडी, लाइक व्हेन आई ऑल्सो इंटरेक्टेड विद यू, मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि कोई हीलिंग को किसी एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट से कनेक्ट कर सकता है एंड यू कैन जस्ट गिव दैट टू दैट पर्सन सो दैट दे फील बेटर. लाइक ये इनिशियल आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि ये हो सकता है?
So I'm a jewelry designer and I'm a healer.
Combine.
I combine them both.
Simple A+1. Now I'm thinking मैंने गलत क्वेश्चन पूछा, ये तो बहुत आसान था.
नहीं, but you know what's the technology? It's a technology behind it. क्योंकि हमारे पुराने टाइम में ऋषि वगैरह इन लोग ने यंत्र बनाए हैं.
करेक्ट.
अलग अलग यंत्र अलग अलग काम करते हैं. पर वो यंत्र इज लाइक आपका गाड़ी, एक व्हीकल. अब उस यंत्र बिना पेट्रोल के या बिना उस सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी के नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
तो उस यंत्र पे कौन सा सोर्स चलता है? पेट्रोल जो होता है वो है आपके मंत्रास.
Got it.
जब वो मंत्रा से अटैच होता है तो वो यंत्र एक्टिवेट हो जाता है.
Then it can channelize.
तब वो उसको चलाने वाला कौन चाहिए? एक ह्यूमन बॉडी.
Human being, yeah. To drive
तो
the energy.
जब वो कंबाइन हो जाता है ना, एक सिस्टम बन जाता है.
Correct.
That human body is driving this yantra
Yeah.
and which is infused with the mantra.
Yeah.
इसको हम तंत्र कहते हैं.